Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Joshua. Of course, I'm very sure you all have missed me. It's been a very long time that I came here on my channel to make videos, and I'm back again. I've been busy working on a couple of stuff which I'll be sharing with you all very soon. It's a very big news, big review. It's going to come later this month, probably very soon. Alright, but just like it's my nature and just like it's our nature in this community, when you watch our video for the very first time, you need to hit the red subscribe button and then turn on notification and then get ready for the mind-blowing experience. Today is not going to be unconventional. If you watched almost all my videos before now on my YouTube channel, I always come straight up and I will teach what I want to teach and I go off. But this time I'm coming back to my YouTube channel with a different whole vibe, with a different new vibe, and that vibe is going to be a mix of my personality, my fun life, my serious life, and also amazing content lectures for you all to learn from, right? Just in case you also don't know me, I am an internet entrepreneur and I'm also a software engineer, and from time to time I talk about things that have to do with tech, online business, making money online, and also making your life better, right? So but today we're going to do a little bit of rant on this channel. I'm going to really talk about a couple of things that really interest me right now, and I want to really put it out there. I have thousands of subscribers, and of course we are growing every day, and I really want people to buy, like, to have a feel of some of the things that go through my mind sometimes, and some of the things I think about, some of the things I do behind the scene. But before I even go to those stuff, I want to talk about a couple of trends we have right now in our world. You know, so basically I was thinking about businesses we are doing as at 2015, 2016. But right now we have a lot of trends. So I'm currently in Nigeria. For those who are watching this video outside Nigeria, I'm currently in Nigeria right now making this video. And one of the things that are really trending in the online business space, a lot of them are trending. But what we have right now prevalent is affiliate marketing and cryptocurrency. And I'm going to talk about these two things. I'm also going to give you guys top advice, because I do these businesses, and I'm going to give you top advice that you can use to also do this business and get the best result. But just before I tell you those parts, make sure you're already subscribed and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section some of the amazing topics you want me to cover in my subsequent videos on my YouTube channel. I came up with a whole new vibe, like I told you, or anything on the planet you want me to talk about. You want me to talk about politics? I don't know anything about politics, but maybe I will just go do my research and come and tell you guys what I discovered. So I want you guys to tell me what you want to be seeing on this channel, the kind of video content you want me to start making for you, or give me specific topics you want me to lay emphasis on that has to do with tech, business, making money online, advertising, marketing, anything around those stuff is my really core areas. But I can really go outside. If you want me to start talking about relationships, I probably have a little or no knowledge about it, I don't know, but I am going to be giving you guys back experience in this YouTube channel. So but let's go back to the major trend. So for those who make money online, or for those who start making money online, if you've not really started making money online, and then you might not be so familiar with this thing, but let's say you're already conversant with online business, you should be familiar with affiliate marketing. I've made a video on affiliate marketing before now. It's just somewhere around my video, my YouTube channel. So you just check my YouTube channel or just type affiliate marketing Joshua Bar and you're going to see that video. And then watch and learn what affiliate marketing is. I've also made a video that has close to 50,000 views right now around cryptocurrency and how to trade cryptocurrency on BINANCE. I'll be making more videos, right? If you guys request and you need me to make more videos, just tell me in the comment section the videos you want me to make for you. But let's talk about affiliate marketing. Why is it in Nigeria right now? A lot of people are doing affiliate marketing. If you go to the bio of most Nigerians right now, you're going to see them writing the XYZ affiliate marketing expert, god of affiliate marketing, king of affiliate marketing pro, affiliate marketing this, affiliate marketing beast, affiliate marketing dragon. You know, a lot of those things are going to see it almost. If I pick up my phone right now, this is my phone, and I go to social media right now, go to Facebook, go to my WhatsApp, and go and start checking people's bio, even on WhatsApp, their bio on WhatsApp. We're going to discover them using affiliate marketing. So why is everybody running into affiliate marketing now? Is it something totally new? Is it the new oil well? I'm going to answer all these questions for you all in this video. Is it the next big thing? Is it like a new bubble? Is it a new NFT? Why is it trending in Nigeria massively right now? And I'm going to give you guys a little background check in that and tell you all why you need or need not to do affiliate marketing. So if you are ready to hear that, let me know in the comment section. Type I am ready in the comment section. I'm going to give it to you guys very, very interesting this night. Okay, so let's go. So in 2015, 2016, when I really started off my journey as an internet entrepreneur, then I was a newbie, like some of you who are watching this video right now. I was a complete newbie. I didn't even know what Facebook ads was like, and I felt like I couldn't even run Facebook ads. Like I felt it was for some presence, something I couldn't access. Then it wasn't even really common. A lot of just people were using Facebook ads, so as valuable as it is right now for a lot of people to use Facebook ads, right? But then I got introduced to affiliate marketing. I was introduced to Clickbank. I was introduced to JVZoo. I was also introduced to Digistore24 at some point. That was later on. And so that one, I can't really remember all of those ones. And Warrior Plus 2, right? So I got in contact with this platform. I think this was around 2016, 2017 then. And I started, routing my way around these platforms, trying to figure out how to make money off those platforms. And I learned a couple of strategies that I used then to do my affiliate marketing. But the main thing is that affiliate marketing, I don't know that it's been there for a long time. But currently in Nigeria, in Africa, specifically in Nigeria as a country, affiliate marketing seems to be brand new, all new where for people who want to make money off the internet. Now I'm going to explain why it's going to happen, why it's happening, and what is going to be the future of affiliate marketing in Nigeria. First, there are a lot of affiliate marketing platforms that are Nigerian based. There are a lot of them. I mean, there are a lot of them that are Nigerian based affiliate marketing platform. Just to mention a few, you have the Expania affiliated NG, Stakeout, you have LUNO, and a lot of them. These are the ones I can really remember right now. And other ones, we have affiliated something. Man, like there are so many of them that I know of. At least I know up to 5 of them right now in Nigeria, right? I know up to 5 of them right now that Nigerian based affiliate marketing platforms. And why is it like a new open doors for people? And I'm going to tell you why. See, over time, people want to make money off the internet. People want to make money legitimately off the internet. And the problem over time of making money off the internet is always having a product to sell. It's always a problem for people. How can I create my own product to sell? And product creation is one of the most, let me not say one of the, it's just one of the most, it's one of the most difficult things to do. If you want to sell digital products, you have to record your course. The same way I'm recording my videos right now, that's how I have to sit down and record like 10 videos, teach very insightful stuff, bundle it with some materials, and to do them, package it together and start selling. It will take me at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and sometimes 1 month or more to really plan out a course. And then the record is going to cost me some time and effort. And it's something that everyone can't afford. There are people who are starting off new, they can't afford these utilities, right? They have to pay for all of these services, pay a videographer, pay G, they don't even have money to buy their own camera, right? Like now I have my own camera, I have my workspace, I have all of these things. I can do it at my leisure, my comfort. But a lot of these people don't have this. You can't start making YouTube videos when they don't even have a good lighting system to make proper videos or a good audio device to really give a good audio in their videos, but they really want to make money. Most of them are really, because of course we all know that Nigeria is considered as one of the poorest countries in the world. Like our poverty, the poverty rate in Nigeria is super alarming. In the past 4 years, it's super alarming, right? We really pray that we'll get better over time. I mean, Nigerian, and that's what we have right now, is really a poor state we are. So a lot of individuals in the country are looking out for legitimate means to make money off the internet, and they have to resort to something that will be easier for them to adopt. And affiliate marketing shows to be that. So it gives opportunities to promote products that you don't own, and then have a percentage of the money that you make while selling it. So I've done a very detailed video on affiliate marketing, which you might want to check out on my YouTube channel. But why is it trending now? Because there is high increase in the poverty rate in the country, and there is no job opportunities out there. There is no opportunities to even leverage on or explore. And people don't have the resources to create their own programs, their own digital programs, their own physical products. They don't have money to acquire physical products to sell. So therefore, they resort to the affiliate marketing framework, where I promote a product that is not my own, and when I sell it, I get commission off it. That's the whole idea. And that's why it's trending, because whether you are 10 years old, 11 years old, 15 years old, 100 years old, you can do affiliate marketing at the comfort of your room. So should they be trending now? Why not? Because there's increase in poverty, and people want to get off poverty. They want to make money. That's why it's trading. And I'm going to be giving you guys amazing updates on affiliate marketing and some of the amazing strategies you can use and some of the platforms you should be looking out for and programs you should be promoting on specific platforms and how to even do it the way other people are not doing it. You know, where the interesting thing is, if there are 50,000 affiliate marketers, there are thousands of affiliate marketers right now in Nigeria. Let's say they are up to 50,000, more than 50,000. If they are selling a particular product a particular way, the law of diminishing return is going to set in. I don't get bored seeing those kind of ads or seeing those kind of promotions, but I'm going to show you how you can do it in a special way and get the best result out of it. I'll continue after this short break. Yeah, so we're back. We had to do that very quick short break. Now, that is one of the reasons I was talking about affiliate marketing and why it's trending right now in Nigeria is because of the increase in poverty, and it's super alarming and there's nothing we can do about it. So people want to leverage on something that won't cost them money but give them the opportunity to make money at the comfort of their house. Now let's talk about the little trend we have in cryptocurrency. These are the two businesses I want to talk about today and why it's sounding so much in Nigeria. Cryptocurrency is like a fortune. It's a platform where people have made fortune from in Nigeria. It's something that doesn't have to do with government, it doesn't have to do with individual, it's not owned by anybody. Yeah, it's free access. So as long as you know how to trade, put your money, pick the right trades and take profits, you're going to multiply your money off cryptocurrency. And that's why people are doing cryptocurrency trading. So these are the two businesses that Nigerians has leveraged on to escape poverty. They have leveraged on these two businesses to escape poverty. So if you are watching this video right now and you are thinking of what can I do to escape poverty with 0 naira, 0 kobo, 0 capital, 0 everything, leverage on these business models. And in my next videos and subsequent videos, I'll start talking about platforms to use, products to promote if you're an affiliate marketer, how to promote those products. I'll be talking about an amazing platform that is coming up soon, the Stake-Cut platform. Stake-Cut platform is an ultra modern affiliate marketing platform, right? We'll be giving you more information. I'll be giving you more information about that. I have the first information on that product, and I'll be giving you guys exclusive information, inside circle information about that product, products to promote first, and how to use that platform. Is completely free. It's one of the free. I think it's currently the only free affiliate marketing platform in Nigeria. I think is only the free affiliate marketing platform in Nigeria, and you don't need to pay anything. You receive the free affiliate marketing training. But the key now is I'm going to show you how to use that platform. Once the product comes out, the date is going to come out, how to leverage on it and promote and make at least $1,000 immediately on the launch date. I'm going to give you guys that information. But if you want to catch up that information, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel to be able to get that notification, turn on the notification, and of course join the family. Follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. The handle details should be on my description section or on the pinned comments below. That way you can also catch up my tweets and my Instagram posts. Now let's talk about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is amazing, but the funny thing is that lately, let me pull up my PC right now, there's a little diversion in the marketplace. There is a little diversion in the marketplace because at some point in trading history, coins don't consistently move upwards. We don't always trade upwards. We can't be trading upwards forever. There can't be consistent upward trends. We must go up and we must come down. You know, that kind of so a lot of people say that goes up must definitely come down. So that also applies to trading. So if you want to start up crypto trading, there are things you must know. Making money there is very good, but taking profit is more important. Unless you want to run a long-term investment system where you want to put money and leave it there for 5-10 years, then you don't want to look at the interim pricing of cryptocurrency. So currently, one of the amazing platforms to trade your cryptocurrencies is Binance. I've done a video on that before my YouTube channel. The video is on my YouTube channel. Just check my YouTube channel to see a video I did on how to trade cryptocurrencies and take profit on Binance platform. Currently has over 50,000 or more views, depending on the time you're watching this video on that. So currently right now, Bitcoin is at $40,000 and BNB is at $400. And that's a good sign that we might be bouncing back up because I suppose that's a support level in the chart. So if you're trading cryptocurrency right now, depending on the time you're watching this video, it means that bro, you are saying sink. If you have a trade that is still open at this moment, I would advise you wait for the bounce back instead of selling off this time. For the now, there is no sign of a bear market. We are still more bullish in this context. The market will definitely bounce back and keep heading upwards, 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 and upwards. All right, so this is all I have for today. Today is just a free day where I just want to talk about things that I'm looking out for, things that I'm thinking in my mind. It's going to be more interactive section, and once in a while I'll come out with amazing content. But I also want to know in the comment section the next video you want me to make for you. If you want me to invite to my video, you want me to call your name in my video, you want me to promote your product in my video, you want me to do anything for you, feel free to reach out to me, drop in the comment section. I will read the comment section, or you can send me a DM on Instagram. Thank you guys. I'm back with amazing video bunches coming up your way. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and see you in my next video. Bye.